Welcome to today's video where we're back at the shop with Waifu-chan. What are we doing today, babe? Don't even bring up the Evo right now.
We're painting today.
We're painting today. We got a whole bunch of paint supplies. I brought friends. Elbow's here to help paint. Actually, we're gonna make him paint and we're just gonna sit down in those chairs, eat McDonald's and yell and scream at him. But I'm gonna repaint this wall that the sprayer just did a terrible job of and was a complete fail. I also took off a whole bunch of the peeling drywall there, so I'm gonna paint over that, make it a little bit better. And then we're gonna start painting this wall. We're gonna put drip cloth down all the way along, and these two guys are gonna get rollers and paint and start working on this side. We're only gonna be here for about 2 hours though today, so we'll do as much as we can. And then the game plan is once this wall's done, I'm also gonna touch up the bottom of this wall so that's finished. And then the game plan will be to finish this wall and that wall there. And we're gonna move all the parts and everything that's on that side of the shop to this side of the shop, similar to how we did the floor. So welcome, Builder Sam is back. Let's get this done. Who invited this guy?
I don't know. I'm just waiting for him to hurt himself.
Time to pour the paint, baby. What color is this again, mate?
Milky white.
Why does
milkshake?
it does? I have to ask though, like, do all painters call their white colors like milky white?
Looks really appetizing.
It does kind of look like cream though, I'll give them that.
You know what it looks like? It looks like a pancake batter.
You are right. All right, let's get started. So fast forwarding ahead, I've finished going over this wall now with the roller and it looks so much better. That sprayer definitely did a terrible job and there's nothing better. Like honestly, I did that so fast, wasn't worth mucking around with that sprayer. But this side, the guys managed to get first coat done on this side. Elbow did that and May did this side, which I think your side looks better than Elbow's. Yeah. Are you painting my Evo, dude? Honestly, you can paint that quarter panel.
Actually, can I?
Yeah, go for it.
Here we go.
All right, go for it.
Like nothing changed. I'm serious. It's the exact same shade. It might be dry, but it's pretty much the same shade.
Yeah, it is different. Look, you can kind of see it there. It's just the roller's a bit dry. Different shade. But yeah, this whole rear quarter is getting cut out. So that's why I don't mind. But yeah. Did you have fun today, dude?
Yeah. A little bit of manual labor never hurt anybody.
Yeah. Kind of didn't really like, I think I set up a time lapse for when you guys were doing this side, but then we just kind of smashed through it because we're not going to be able to be here for too long. So we're going to go head to Yokohama, Chinatown now. We're going to go get some Chinese food with Oko-chan, right, babe?
Yeah, family dinner.
So we're going to go do that. But yeah, shop's getting there. We're going to be back here tomorrow. Me and May are going to actually get up early tomorrow and come here. So we should be able to smash the rest of this out and should be good. But
I said I had an appointment with my nails.
oh, so maybe it'll be the day after then. We'll figure it out, but I'm going to organize some friends to come. Are you comfortable in there, dude?
Yeah, this is great. We don't need a chair.
Yeah? You don't need a chair?
This actually work.
Nah, this thing's going to be so cool when it's done. I can't wait. What does he think about it in person? Like, I know in the videos, like, I don't know, have you been following the series?
Yeah, I mean, like, it's crazy to see how, I mean, just the fact that it's a TME.
Yeah.
And
RS is the rare one. TMEs are kind of all over the place. You can get a normal TME for 15, 20 grand. Okay, all right. Yeah, all right. Continue.
I mean, when I look at it, I mean, like, I'm not super knowledgeable about what it takes to restore a car, but it looks like huge job. So
Yeah, it's a huge
I'm
project.
Definitely looking forward. This is like something you would see on like a TV show on the Discovery Channel. You know, it's like
Ooh, I'm Discovery Channel level. Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
What's that guy? Something Savage. Adam Savage, come at me. But no, all of that aside, yeah, I think this thing's gonna be really, really cool. I haven't really shared with the viewers yet what my plans are. Are you playing with your fish?
No, I wanted you to.
Oh, do you know about this?
Nope.
Okay, what do you think this is? Just, yep.
It's a keychain.
Okay. Try opening it. Dude, turn it on. Turn it on.
It works.
It works.
Hang on.
Is it vibrating?
Nope.
Oh, it may actually be dead now then.
What? You touched
Used
it.
up.
You touched it, dude. You actually touched the tip.
Touched it.
I mean, that's the only problem. It's
So I thought this was an LED. I thought this was like a little light.
yeah.
And yeah, like if you pull it all the way out, like just rip it out of the fish thing.
Right.
Like, yeah, it's just, yeah.
Yeah. Just take the tiny.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, it really works.
It's actually vibrating?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want, you can take that. New Year's gift.
Thank you.
It's literally a pocket vibrator. And we thought it was a light. And then it kind of fell out. And I'm like, wait, is this? And
I get the set, right? With
Yeah.
The, with the fish.
yeah.
It's like he's just giving me a tiny vibrator box.
I'm just
Imagine I'm like with my girlfriend, just falls out of my pocket. I'm just like, what the?
Isn't that the weirdest thing? Dude, have you ever found something this weird on a car that you've bought, like from the previous
Oh,
owner?
it's from the car.
Yeah, dude, this was on the keys when I bought it.
Oh, that makes it 10 times worse.
I know, and you touched it, and what's worse is the guy who previously owned this was a university student.
Oh no.
Male, by the way.
Oh jeez. Okay, the story of this
May not work anymore.
item will continue somehow.
Oh, we will.
In future videos.
So, true story, we made a video and I titled... Did you just hear that?
I did. It's speaking.
Hang on, ASMR. Just leave the fish head on there.
There you go.
Go again. Like,
It's like it's talking. Kill me. Kill me. End me now.
the places that little guy has been.
That's why it smells so fishy.
All right, back on track. But true story, I made a video to get May's reaction of the car, and I titled it like my Japanese wife's reaction to me buying an abandoned Evo.
Right.
We had no idea, dude. I thought it was an LED, and it all happened while we were filming, and like it was just so funny.
I mean, I can't wait to see my reaction because it took me like 2 seconds to comprehend what it was.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like one of those like a shock thing,
Right?
or I pull it open and it's like like a gummy thing. With
Yeah,
the
it
eggs.
looks something weird, right?
Yeah.
But yeah,
Then I thought it was like a flashlight. Then it was like,
kind of close.
why? I've seen this before.
Seen it before.
You've seen it before.
Okay.
As long as you didn't use it before. Oh boy, this is not the content I thought I was making today.
Oh, this is great. Thank you.
So good, right?
Wait, you gave him the keys too.
No, he's not getting the keys.
It's a full set. Thanks.
It's a full. I mean, dude, yeah, if you fix it for me, I don't mind. You can have the keys. But yeah.
Fish market.
So this has kind of like become a mascot for the Evo on the channel.
It should be.
Mackerel-chan. I think like if I ever livery wrap this, we'll have to sneak a mackerel fish on there somewhere in the livery, just for the memory of this.
That's amazing.
On the exhaust.
It's a tuna, right?
Yeah, I don't know, tuna, mackerel, something. Probably tuna.
In Japanese, like maguro has a lot of different connotations.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you look that up.
Okay. Let's. Oh no. It's popped off. Has a mind of its own. Okay. All right. We need to just. Yeah, we'll leave that there. Let's get out of here. You sure you don't want to buy the mini, dude? Do you a sick deal?
Just ask me about 20 more times.
All right, packing up today. We have fun here. Yeah, it's painting the wall is pretty relaxing actually. I wouldn't mind doing it again. So, let's see. Are you gonna be able to get out? Okay, yeah. let's look at our friend here in a nice car. Do you want me to paint your car too white?
Yeah, let's start from the back. every week.
So Alvo has a S2000. This I know. I don't own a car. I don't have a license, but I know you have a S2000.
It's very yellow, right?
It's very yellow.
Which one do you like better, the S2000 or the Miata?
I think this one. But this is.
Neither of them make you more manly though.
What are you talking about? This guy.
I just love that the two cars that you've owned since I've known you here, like, have been hairdressers' cars, right? But you have no hair!
Oh no! Oh no!
This is a really competitive car, and I wish I fitted in them, honestly. I'm jealous that you're like a foot and a half shorter than me, because you fit in way more Japanese cars than I do.
That's actually true.
Actually, yeah. Like, you fit in the S, dude, do you know how long it's taken me a full year to get comfortable in that driver's seat? Like, to get in a seating position where my helmet isn't, like, I don't have to go like this while I'm driving, like, yeah.
Pinterest.
Go for it. Yeah, sit in. It'll hug you, it's a really tight seat.
Yeah, it's on a cage. I was like, oh man.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like my seat, but it's a full size.
Full, yeah, bucket.
Oh man.
It's good, right?
Yeah. You're in there.
Dude, the thing's so rigid because of the cage and stuff. It feels so good when you drive it.
This is awesome. Yeah, let me drive it next time.
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome. Yeah, this is sick. It's easier to get in and out the door. Getting into that, I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? Definitely passengers freak out for the first time because they have the bar there too, the intrusion bar. They're like, how do I get in this? But yeah, otherwise it's good.
Yeah, dude, it's sick.
You want one? You gonna get one?
Yeah, dude.
We have arrived at Chinatown here in Yokohama. Ooh boy. So much good food in this place. Girls are back there doing their thing. Oh man, I love coming here. So we're just leaving Chinatown now. And May, why is there 69 everywhere? Look at that, it looks like 69.
It's not 69! You filthy mind person!
Filthy mind person? What are you talking about? It just looks like a number.
No, it's that Chinese design thing. You always see them everywhere.
Well,
How
then
does
it's
that look
the
like 60?
Chinese that have a filthy mind.
Turn right.
Just got home, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching our shenanigans today. May, did you have fun?
Yeah, it was pretty
It's therapeutical, right? Yeah, yeah. It totally is. Like painting, I tried telling you guys about this when I was painting the floors, but like I would go there, put my AirPods in, and I would just listen to music, jam out, paint, and at the same time I was like thinking about everything and meditating about stuff and like trying to like think about new video ideas, be creative, and just really like in my own headspace, and it was really, really cool. And I don't know, like I thoroughly enjoyed it actually. It was pretty cool. It's kind of like what is it? Like, so you know when like you're sitting on the toilet or you're in the shower, I know this is kind of weird, but that's when like you're there for a job, you're there to do something, but because you're kind of not really doing anything else except that, you're able to just like think about stuff. You remember stuff a lot in there. You have like, you know, epiphanies and all that kind of stuff and great ideas. Stop laughing! Stop laughing at me!
Epiphany in the bathroom, Sam. Okay.
But no, like I'm serious, mate. Like I'm pretty sure, like like Albert Einstein and all those guys, that most of their best inventions came from when they were either in the shower or sitting on the toilet. I'm pretty sure that's a fact. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. But I remember reading it somewhere. Anyways,
Epiphany in the toilet.
Epiphany in the toilet. May's gonna Google that right now. But I'm sure you guys know what I'm saying, and that's kind of what it's become for me. It's like that kind of job where it doesn't really take much to think. Oh no, mate. What did you find? Anyway,
There's a Reddit thread for
there's a Reddit thread for it? All right, she's going down the rabbit hole, boys. But yeah, anyways, you know what I'm trying to say. That aside, I thoroughly enjoy it, and we're going to go back and do some more tomorrow and try and get that shop all finished. I'm really excited to have all the painting done, because then that means we can actually start like fitting it out. I got to pick up the air compressor from Oko-chan's workshop. We're waiting for the supplier for the hoists to get back to me on when the 200 volt version is coming in, because I don't want to use the 100 volt. They have a 100 volt in stock right now, but I want the 200 volt one because I want it to go up and down faster and stuff. Plus the building already has 200 volts, so it's like, why not? And then tire machines and all that kind of stuff. So just getting the place fitted out, actually start working on cars in there is what I'm excited about. So anyways, that aside guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, write us a comment and subscribe. Before I go there, I want to give you a little bit of a COVID update here in Japan. Tonight, we literally just found out as we were coming home that the government is putting everything into state of emergency again. There's like curfew times and all that kind of stuff being enforced as of tomorrow. So things are kind of really bad here with the pandemic now. It's actually the worst it's ever been, and it's going to get worse because of everything that and all the celebrations that just happened with New Year's. In fact, the cases right now have skyrocketed, and it's the worst it has ever been for the entire pandemic, which is kind of crazy to think about. But yeah, that aside, I think you can all relate with me here when I say I cannot wait till COVID is over. And I know we were all hoping and praying that COVID would be dead and gone with 2020, but obviously things are kind of carrying on, and it's something that we're going to have to learn to live with. Obviously vaccines are starting to roll out. In fact, we found out tonight the government said that from the end of February, vaccines will be rolling out to the people that need it the most at risk, the elderly and stuff like that, and then throughout the months after that, more and more people will get it, which is really good news, because from my perspective, I'm thinking if people are getting vaccines and if it's rolling out and nice and fast, then they will start opening the borders for international travel for those who have already taken the vaccine. And if people like friends in the States want to come drifting and they've got the vaccine already, maybe that's going to happen. I'm being hopeful here, so I'm just hoping that 2021 is going to be the epic, amazing year that we all want it to be. I know it's going to be better than 2020. I mean, let's be honest, what could be worse than that? But it is what it is right now, and I think just being hopeful is enough right now. So with that, guys, I'm going to really leave now. Thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't a crazy vlog. You know what? I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to title this video, The Video You Don't Want to Watch. I'm going to do that with the thumbnail, everything. I'm just going to title it that and see what happens. Some more good news to end on, though, is all the merch for the drop will be coming tomorrow. And then I'll be doing photo shoots this week. Next week, Wednesday, my time, 8 a.m. will be the drop. I'll let you guys all know through the rest of the videos, but get excited. Stuff's going to sell out super fast. Don't miss out. And I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out. Jamata, longest outro ever.